I am sure sports here with the winning coach, Rudolph Speid. What a present today. The AAA batteries, worked well. Kind of to getting a hat-trick. Sum up the game for us, Rudolph Speid.
Well, I didn't even think we played that well, but because we are trained to play in the moments, and the type of attack that we have, it don't even matter. Once we can play without the ball out of possession, and then once we in possession, in the twinkling of an eye, you could be like meters up the pitch. So that is what we kind of did. With our style and able to get 3 goals. Colin uses space and get to them every time and score.
I'm very impressed with the under-17 invitee, national under-17 invitee, Ronaldo Barrett. That youngster, how old is he, Rudolph Speid?
Oh, he's 16 years of age. We got him from Mount Pleasant. He came over from Mount Pleasant. If you notice, everybody on my bench is a teenager basically. So it's a young team. We're just trying to build this team. Young Jay Lights that came on, he was also under 17 national international invitee. He came on and also played well. So it's really a young team that we're playing with, but I'm encouraged by what they can do. And I hope by we reach the playoff round, they will have improved enough to be able to challenge for the title. But now it's just a rebuilding here.
I see a difference though with the Cavaliers team, trying to score more goals than previous season. What is the trick?
Well, my assignment in the A license is to score more goals. My average was 1.3 last year, so I told him I was going to score at 1.8 this year. So far I'm at about 2.2. So it's a part of what I have to do when we're in possession, as a part of my project, and it looks like it's paying off. So I can go to the instructors and say, see, I did it, So that's a part of the study that I did too.
That's the Conga Cup A license?
Yeah, to be able to score more goals. So it's paying off. It's something that I'm learning from it, so it's paying off.
Thank you very much, Rudolph Speid. Continue the good work. And one thing that I would like to add, could you get some personal coach to work with Colin Anderson? Let him score more goals?
No, we have been working on it.
All right, thank you.